YouTube. I've got an unboxing today. The mail came about an hour ago and a parcel's arrived from Zavvi, and yeah, I'm gonna open it and we'll take a look. So I've actually already sliced it at the side, but I haven't opened it up. I thought it might actually speed it up, but it hasn't. So grab the knife again and cut it this. I've got to say, I don't like these boxes that Zavvi usually offer. The Steelbooks. This is a Steelbook. I mean, the older ones weren't perfect, but they were much better than this. And they don't protect them anymore either. They used to put some just some foam around them to protect them, which they don't these days. So what we have is Solo Star Wars Story. This is the 3D Blu-ray Steelbook. We'll get rid of the box. Yeah, so I've been looking forward to this. Don't really understand the hate this movie got, so I really enjoyed it. I've been looking forward to this for quite some time. So what we got is, I believe, a 2-disc set, unless there's, like The Force Awakens, a special features disc, which actually, by the looks of it, there is 3 discs. Look at this. See if we can focus in there. So, yeah, I'm going to cut it for a moment and slice open this plastic because, yeah, the last time we tried this it was a complete nightmare. Anyway, yeah, we'll be back in a sec. Okay, so that's all open. Let's have a quick look on the back of here. So, as it mention the special features? I don't know that it does. We've got the stats there for the discs and what's on them, subtitles and audio and all that stuff. Looks like, let's see, all the special features there. Nothing on the 3D disc as usual. Anyway, let's take a look at this bad boy. Hopefully we're no dents, no scratches, which is good. I mean, for them to be scratches is not unheard of. I've had Steelbooks before that have had scratches underneath the J card, which was annoying. And we've got the 3 discs, 3D Blu-ray. I guess that's the Blu-ray movie, and then yeah, we've got the bonus disc there, which is also Blu-ray. So we'll pop these out and have a look. Got the inside the cockpit of the Falcon. The inside artwork. Pretty nice. I've already seen that. Yeah, so just a quick unboxing. It's arrived today. I'm probably going to watch this again tonight. I saw it in the cinema in 3D, and we're watching it again in 3D, I think. Awesome, really happy about that. Yeah, so just a quick one. Thanks very much for watching, and see you again next time. Ta-ra.